Guangzhou KooFex Appliances Company Limited, established in 2019, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of hair dryer, hair clipper, hair curlers, hair straighteners, shaver. We are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, ROHS, FCC, UKCA, REACH, CCC certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the United States, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Canada, Vietnam, Iraq, Italy, Spain, Russia, Israel, United Arab Emirates, Singapore, Netherlands, Switzerland, Pakistan, Australia, Netherlands, Switzerland, Romania, New Zealand, Japan, Indonesia, etc., adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Over the past several years, we have created hundreds of models to meet our customers' needs. We believe in quality first and provide the best service to every customer. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.